So here we are. This is Wisconsin Shoe Guy, and this is another unboxing. And today it's a pair of boots, a pair of shell cordovan boots actually. And wanted to see just how these come out from Meermin. So I've got a nice boot-sized box, and these are everything. This is my marbled shell. So Meermin has partnered with, I think it's the Ricotta Tannery. And there's 2 boot bags, which is nice. Usually there's one pair of bags for shoes. So they've partnered with the Ricotta Tannery to do this shaved shell cordovan. And look at how beautiful that shell cordovan boot is. And isn't that something else? It feels so soft. I've never had ricotta shell. And it's a 4 and 4, so that means 4 eyelets, 4 speed hooks. And you can see that this last is low at the vamp, which is what I need. So really looking forward to this and how this is going to feel. So that's one. Now, shaved shell is going to look different on each boot, so we'll take some time and we'll look at that. But you can see here the discoloration is a little different. Now this is green, okay? And look at that. Isn't that beautiful? So what we're gonna do is take a look at how the 2 boots look together. It is a fantastic shell. Again, this is my first pair from Meermin like this. This is not my first pair of shaved shell cordovan. I actually have a pair from Allen Edmonds. Now, this style of boot is very similar to a style that I have from Enzo Bonafé, which I will do a comparative video on, also in shell cordovan, but in that I have a grain on the top and smooth on the bottom, versus the texture, or for texture versus color difference. Okay, and of course this is matching, but this is a fantastic boot. And looking at the quality, I think Meermin did a really nice job with these. So this is my first pair of boots from Meermin, and my first pair of non-hand welted Meermins in quite a while. So looking to try it out. First pair on the, it's not my first pair on this last. I actually have a pair of shoes on this last that are quite big, so I sized down. But interested in seeing how they go. Now my other, my Enzo boots in the same style actually have a full cap toe. This is a faux cap toe, meaning that it's just stitching. There's no actual cap. But they did 3 lines of stitches, which really makes it obvious. And that's been a little different in the ones that I've seen people wear. So excited to see how that turns out. So thanks for watching. Let me know what your thoughts are on these shaved shell cordovan boots and this beautiful olive green.